Kinsta is a top-tier managed WordPress hosting provider. They offer high-speed, secure hosting tailored specifically for WordPress sites. With infrastructure built on Google Cloud Platform, advanced security measures, and a user-friendly dashboard, Kinsta is a popular choice for those seeking top-notch performance and expert support for their WordPress websites. Now I will teach you how to sign up with Kinsta WordPress hosting. Step 1. Go to Kinsta. The link for Kinsta is in the description of this video to get promos and discounts. Step 2. Click in Sign Up. The Sign Up button is usually in the upper right part of the website. Step 3. We can see that the business plan has these features: 5 WordPress installs, 30 GB storage, 100,000 visits, 400 GB CDN, per PHP workers/site, 14 days backup retention. Step 4. We complete it with our first name, last name. We also enter our email, create a password. After that, click where it says, Agree to Terms and Conditions. Then click in Continue. Now it's time for our billing information. Here we can choose if we are a company or individual. For example, let's imagine we are an individual. I will complete this as an example. After we make the payment with our credit card, we will be redirected to our Kinsta dashboard to manage our WordPress hosting website. Overall, Kinsta WordPress hosting is tailored for WordPress users who prioritize performance, security, and reliability for their websites and prefer to have a managed hosting solution where technical aspects are handled by the hosting provider. Go to Kinsta today. The link for Kinsta is in the description of this video. Thank you for visiting our video.